If you think you have to teach it, teach it. If you think you have to tell that child to walk on the left side of the hall every single time you see them, tell them to walk on the left side of the hall every single time you see them. Don't walk by them and say, oh, forget it. That's a big problem in our schools, is that people get tired of enforcing the rules, don't they? And after a while, they're like, forget it. Let that one go. And again, that's how little things become big problems, because we make assumptions and we let things go. One of the things that's happened to a lot of our kids that are struggling with limits and with self-regulation and responsibility is the fact that they wear the adults down. And they're good at it. And they know, sooner or later they're going to give. Sooner or later they'll just let me do this. They know this stuff, they know it. And until they get that moment where, and it shouldn't happen when the door's locked behind them and there's a guard out front. It should happen before that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.